Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we have a small diamond painting Temu haul. We have, I think, 4 canvases. So they're already opened up out of the bag, so you're not gonna hear any crinkling today. I took a sneak peek at them, so they're already opened. So let's just get started. So here's another one, a stained glass hot air balloon, part of the collection that I've been collecting. They've been showing up on Temu one at a time. They are in bigger sizes on other budget-friendly companies. They're way bigger on the budget-friendly companies, but I wanted them in 30 by 40s. I didn't want to do an intricate diamond painting like this in a very large size. I just wouldn't have the patience for it. So this has 21 colors. It's a 30 by 40. The drill field looks pretty good. Not really any smudging or blurring of the letters. The color list is all letters, but they are not in alphabetical order. Everything looks good. Not any letters that look similar to each other next to each other. So I'm really happy with that. We have 2 color lists or 2 schematics or whatever you want to call them. Here are our drills. They're in a silver train bags. Pinks, purples, greens, cream colors. Of course, we have some browns and blacks. Really pretty. So, and everything in all these kits that I got today were the green boats, pink pens, and a plate of wax. So I'm not going to bother showing. Most of the people on my channel are experienced diamond painters, and I'm pretty sure you've seen more than enough typical toolkits in your day. The hot air balloon cost me $3.99, and there was a pre-order on it because I guess it was new. Okay, next diamond painting. I don't know. I took a peek at all these diamond paintings that I got this round, and I'm a little indifferent towards them. They're okay. They're not the best diamond paintings I've gotten. So here we have this woman. She's a little scantily clad, but not like I might. I don't mind. 22 colors, and there's like birds and butterflies in her hair. So this is a 30 by 40. This particular painting probably should have been bigger. I will be one to admit it. As much as I don't like big diamond paintings, I will admit when something is too small. And I think a 30 by 40 is pushing it. It's doable, but it's pushing it. The birds, some of the birds may or may not come out. The butterflies may or may not come out. Her face is a 50-50 shot. So will that defer me from doing the diamond painting eventually? No, I will eventually work on this one. But at the same time, it's not something I'm going to be in a hurry to do, or I'm excited to do, because I have a feeling she's just not going to come out as wonderful as a lot of my female portraits come out. Let's look at the drills. So another silver train bag. I love that they're doing these bags. I love them. They're just so easy to kit up. Some blues, some cream colors, pinks, mauves, yellows, mustard yellows, vibrant orange over here, some green, and I see some gray in here. So there's a lot of orange, a lot of warm colors in here. You have your fair share of cool colors, cool tones, but there's a lot of warm colors in it, which, I mean, I love. A little bit of color blocking in some of these areas, small areas of color blocking, and then mixed with some, your fair share of confetti. So, which is fine. This lady was also a pre-order, but I got her with the rest of my order, and she was $4.49. Okay, let's just get this teeny tiny one out of the way, because I have much to say about this one and my decision making, of course. So this particular diamond painting I'm about to show you is a 20 by 30. It obviously needs to be a ton bigger. Looks great from a distance. I mean, this camera is a distance from my desk right now. It's up high, which is why you can see it on camera. It's a girl hiding under a big cat, a big white fluffy cat. I have no doubt maybe the cat might come out okay in this size, because it's a little bit bigger. It takes up most of the picture, but the girl, there's just no way this girl is going to come out. They also picked pink for her face. Most of her face is in pink or salmon colored, or stark white. So I don't think the girl's gonna come out. This was supposed to be a gift for my sister. She has a special place in her heart for cats. I've been on the hunt for some really good cat pics, cat diamond paintings, like cute ones like this, that I can gift to my sister, you know, that I can make up for her and, you know, gift to her all sealed up, ready to hang up. I've seen this in a bigger size. I just can't remember what budget-friendly company I saw it on. If you guys happen to be on the budget-friendly companies and you're browsing around and you see this exact picture, please shoot me a message or email. Let me know, because I can't remember where else I saw it, and I would like to repurchase it in a way bigger size. At least a 30 by 40 I would be happy with. If it's a 40 by 50, I might even consider it, because this girl is so tiny and she's got delicate features, and I don't think in a small size it's gonna come out. They did bag up the drills, but see, these are the pinks in here, and this is what would probably be on her face. I don't think that would look very good. Every other color is a gray tone or a blue, gray, and black. The cat is not gray, he is white, and there's not that much white in this kit. So even the cat wouldn't come out to my liking. So this is a little bit of a disappointment. I'll save it for a rainy day, or if there's ever a chance that I run out of diamond paintings, this is the last thing I'd do. Maybe I'd do it, but I doubt I'm running out of diamond paintings anytime soon. But just so you know, this was $2.49. So I should have known what the price was going to be, super tiny, but I don't pay attention when I'm shopping on Temu half the time. But I've been refunded without having to send back any of my stuff so many times that now when I try to refund without having to go through the trouble of sending back, they want me to send stuff back, and I really don't want to go through that. So I haven't been asking for refunds lately. I've just been dealing with the loss. Okay, so this particular photo, you're gonna have to look at it from a distance. If I don't screw up the canvas stick first. Okay, let's see if we can see. Okay, so through the camera, you can kind of see what's going on. It's like a treehouse kind of deal, or a forest home. We got the door here. We got a little house here. A little bridge over like water that's going into like a sewer. Some stairs and tons of greenery and trees. I love this. I saw this particular painting on Robin Storm 3's video. She is a fellow diamond painter and creator here on YouTube. If you have not checked her out yet, or have not ran across her page yet, please go visit her. Tell her I sent you. She's an absolute wonderful person. I love her Temu haul. She's got a bunch to watch on there. You can binge watch Temu hauls on her channel. And she's got a stash video. She's got lots of 30 by 40. She's a 30 by 40 queen. Lots of paintings to look at. But she bought this one and she loved it. And I don't think she's done this one yet, at least not that I know of. I think she recently got this. So I went and I had to snatch it up for myself. I don't normally do landscapes and houses and stuff like that, but once in a blue moon, I see something that's an exception that I really, really like, and I have to snatch it up. I think this is going to look really beautiful with all the green. So this is a 30 by 40. This is 26 colors. And here we go. We have our grass green, our yellows, our browns, some reds. There's some reds in here. Lots of greens, lots of greenish yellows, lots of browns, and we even have some black in here. Number 3 is a 310. We have some 310 in here. So, and it's in a silver train bag with the canvas number on the drills. Let's look at the drill field. Considering it's very clear. Everything looks really clear. No smudging, no blurring of letters and numbers. I will say though, this is very confetti heavy. Not that much color blocking at all. So this is going to take me some time to do. I usually breeze through a 30 by 40 if it's lots of color blocking, but in this case, this might take me like 2 weeks to do. 26 colors. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, all the way 8 to 8. 9 through 26 is A through Z in alphabetical order. Wonderful. And this diamond painting, house scenery, was $4.18. So we have our greenhouse. We have our itty bitty cat with our little girl. Definitely need a bigger size on that one. We have our bird lady. And we have our stained glass hot air balloon. So overall, I think so far what I like the most is the hot air balloon and the greenhouse. The bird lady is going to be questionable, and the cat and the girl is definitely a no-no. It's not going to work out. So, is what it is. You get hits and misses on Temu all the time. You never know what you're going to get. So, I hope you enjoyed today's Temu haul, my friends. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Helps my little channel out. If you're already subscribed and you're returning, thank you for returning and your continued love and support. You guys mean the world to me. So, without further ado, I hope you guys have a nice day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.